Alright folks, here we are. Just a quick video here. Good old southwest Louisiana. Crazy weather. Lightning, thunder. Waiting for a torrential downpour. It's raining a little bit, but waiting for the typhoon to come in. Just heard some loud ass thunder about a minute ago. I wish that was already recording. I should probably be out front. Well, there's some. Yeah, out front. Better lightning bolts up there. I like recording crazy weather. Look at that cable TV wire. Who installs something like that? Oh, there we go. Haha, awesome. Yeah! The old Metallica song, Ride the Lightning. I don't have any cable TV right now. It's out because of the storm. I won't make it too long of a video, but not so much the lightning and thunder. I need the water for my vegetable garden. I could really use it. I water them every day, but a constant downpour is good for plants. Ah, awesome! Another one captured. This is great, man. It's going on 2 minutes. I'll get a couple more lightning bolts and call it quits. I like recording weather like this. Did it all the time when I was still in Texas. Oh, I kind of missed that one. Damn it. It's everywhere. Weird, you'd think that with all this lightning and thunder, but hardly any rain. It's kind of weird. No, it's climate change, climate change! Yeah, we have to do something about climate change to stop all this lightning and thunder. That's what liberal Democrats would say. It's flashing, but I want to see some lightning bolts again. I got 2 of them on here. Yeah, I'm going on 3 minutes now. Y'all get the point, that's enough. Come on, just 1 or 2 more. It's like addicting. It's like crack. I want more lightning bolts. Hurry! That billboard over there I'd be struck would be fantastic. Especially if it's campaigning for a Democrat politician. Good. Alright. That's gonna be it. Have a good night. God bless y'all and love y'all. Bye.